Alright, man, what do we got there, Mondo?
The blower.
CtsV ported blower from Jokerz Performance. They even got the little logo on the sticker and the tape. Let's look at this baby. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Oh la la. Just look at that blower. 2650 ported. ZR1 blue.
Shall we?
Damn, open up, open it up. This thing looks fucking badass, dude.
They went to the freaking hub. Different hub.
Different hub in the front. Fucking sick ass color. Let's get that. Damn. Powder coated, man. This thing's gonna look fucking nice. Let's check out the port work on it. Damn, this thing looks fucking good. Professionally ported at Jokerz Performance. Took about what, 15 days? About 3 weeks. Man. Alright, let's open the lid. Let's see the snout. Damn, dude, that looks fucking sick. That's what you call port job, man. Second box. So it's a reinforced lid. We went with a silver on top, so it could stand out with the blue and silver. Alright.
Reinforced brake.
There we go, reinforced. Dang, that looks nice. Got it on top of the blue, see how it stands out. Damn, just look at that. It's gonna look nice on the CtsV. We asked for the ZR1 blue, the one that comes in the ZR1s, but that's the only blue they had, so this looks nice. Came out pretty damn good. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look when it's assembled. But man, that contrast color came out pretty damn good. The blue and the silver on top, it's gonna stand out in the engine bay. Let's take a look at this porting inside this blower. So this is a snout. Man, look at all those portings. Let's go inside. And everything's ported all the way towards the back. And this thing looks damn fucking good. Man, it looks nice. Next clip, it's gonna be installed in the car, guys, so stay tuned. Right, guys, so we're back. So my brother's gonna start assembling the car. I've showed you earlier the unboxing. So this is a new, it's a what? 105. It's a 105 throttle body he bought to match the port on the snout. Let's look at the new pulley. It's a what, 2.4?
2.4 grip tech.
2.4 grip tech. Just look at the grooves on it. No belt slip at all. Oh man, look at the design. It looks beautiful. I like the color. It came out pretty good. The rotors were still new. They're still good, so they left them in there. But they replaced everything inside of them. So the shaft, all the bearings, all the seals, everything. New oil and all that stuff. So it's all good. Right, so I went off for a little bit, came back, and this fucker's dirty as fuck. It's been sitting for a couple of days, 2-3 weeks, but This is where the process is going. Roger's getting the whole blower in. God damn, that looks fucking good. Big old 105 throttle body. But that's the process so far. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And ported blower can't be out without our nitrous kit. Got our nitrous outlet kit. Port starts. $105. It's more like an indigo blue, but damn, looks nice. Most everything's bolted on. You're just gonna tighten up the pulley bolts and
100 psi.
Get that bitch rolling. Looking pretty fucking good. So this car's not gonna be tuned by the same guy. It's gonna be tuned in San Antonio, Texas, Saturday. So stay tuned for the dyno videos also. But it's just gonna be motor only. No nitrous yet. We're gonna go see what the car's gonna be capable of doing, what times it's gonna run, see an improvement in different tuners, and then we're gonna take it from there and add some nitrous. Right, so everything's assembled, bolted on. So we're gonna purge it 2 to 3 times to get some fuel on the lines, and then we're gonna crank it up. So it's been sitting for about 20 days. So we're just gonna check that everything's okay. Nothing's rubbing, belt's on. Purge it 1 time. Second time. Job, man. Our new throttle body's not yet tuned. That's why it idles up and idles down. It's not tuned yet, so we're just gonna back it up tomorrow, get it on the trailer, and these guys are taking it Friday, so Saturday they're gonna do a tuning, so everything's gonna be alright. Body responds pretty good for not being tuned yet. So guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next video, dyno and quarter-mile times. So they're gonna run it, they're gonna tune it in San Antonio like I said, and they're gonna run it in San Antonio too on Saturday. So stay tuned for that, guys. And we're looking for that low 10-second pass. Peace.